Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Adishema, mi mobi biara akwaba. Today's one is simple as always. We making peanut butter jollof rice in Nkwan jollof. Yes. Thank you, all my viewers, my subscribers. God bless you all for your love and support. Okay, let's get to the kitchen. 3 cups omo ama wash it out egu rice cooker nim. Okay, nti sesen me nkate nkwan ni. Nti me hwe ni na egu. Okay. This for the salt. Then chine kakra be supporting. Yeah. Okay. Now I can eat enough. Okay. Now simple. I made the main kusiashim. Yeah, I will stove so, but maybe you use rice cooker. Okay. Tin rice and cook. Hey, yeah, and Jollof no new. Our Jollof, hey, nkate nkwan ye hwamo. Yes, and if Mammy you could see answer. Take the eggs. Okay. See, and Jollof and a bank camera. Come on, she. Many a canzo grab. Mammy the canzo number. And dear Monsieur Sanya, nkate nkwan near then sa pepe, nkate nkwan me de chicken yes, sa pepe na. Jollof no so ye then. Yo, inti sesen me de me sweet peppers and me jene na me bada kakra. Yeah. Bada ne ye salted one. Inti no. Like I say, you okay, I'm fine. And yes, I'll bet you moving to make a welcome. It's a shame, Yammy, and I said, Mr. Same chicken. That's all. Yeah, then you see, it is being almost. Hey, Mama, casa. Okay, merci. Yo, si yan Jollof nini, on your fair. Ain't it saying no I can afra? Ye we yan Jollof. It's a high say, nkate no, and now a butter. Oh, you're not being come. Yes, our nkate nkwan jollof. Say what? Teacher send a young jollof yaye. Peanut soup jollof. Teacher young peanut soup jollof. Peanut soup jollof, nkate nkwan jollof. Look. I will say, the papa. Try you. Now you be your next recipe for your jollof. Telling you, we are leftover soup now. Nkate nkwan, you cook jollof with it. You can make fresh one and cook jollof with it. Yeah. One in town, no.